Hey everyone, so it's that time of the year again and I'm about to store my Blundstones away for the summer. And as you can see, they're pretty dirty from the winter. I wore them into mud. So the first step to cleaning them is we're just going to use regular paper towel. I already put some water on mine and we're just going to remove all the mud. And after that, we're going to wax them pretty good. So I'm just taking a wet paper towel and I'm just rubbing to get all the mud and dust off. We're gonna let them dry for a bit, but it doesn't take very long to dry at all. And you can see that they already look pretty clean. And these boots, by the way, are like 3, maybe 4 years old now. They have hundreds, maybe even thousands of miles in them, and they're still fully functional and still look pretty new. There's barely any damage on them whatsoever. So this step doesn't take long at all. You can see that I'm pretty much done here. I'll do the side of the boot as well, maybe a little bit of the under boot, but then we can start waxing right after that. Okay, so this is what the boot looks like after just a water wash. It's a lot better already. Most people would go just with this. But then you can see the toe of the boot has a little bit of damage, not much. And most of it can be mitigated by just applying wax, or in my case, I use mink oil. And there's nothing special about this one. I like this product, but it's just what they sold me with the boot. I'm sure you can find other ones online that do a pretty good job here. And this thing, it was recommended that I just take my finger and the heat on my body, just like hair gel, almost hair wax, and the heat of my body makes it melt. So I'm just take the tip of my finger and rub it on to the boot, and I'll put a decent amount on the toe area because this is the area that takes a lot of damage. So I'm just rubbing it in circles like this, and you can see it's doing a pretty good job, right? And it's gonna look brand new. So I'll speed things up just so it's not super boring for you, but you get the gist of it. You want to rub it in until there's no more excess wax on top of the boot. It might not look like it now because we're going at 10x speed, but this is usually a very mindful process. I really take my time, pay attention, really massage the wax in the leather, make sure it's hydrated everywhere. And you feel better after you do it, and it's surprising. There's a lot of activities like that, like peeling pomegranates or taping my hockey stick, that get the same type of result. I think there's a Zen proverb that says chop wood, carry water, and I think this is kind of what they're getting at here. Okay, so this boot here has been waxed. That's the one I just finished waxing. This one has only been washed with water, so you can see a big difference between the two. This boot will be a lot more waterproof. They're both 4 years old. About takes 5 minutes per boot, once a season, maybe twice a season, depending on how much you use them and what kind of environment you use them. But you see that makes a huge difference, and who knows how long these boots will last. They still look brand new after 3-4 years, right? So I love wearing these boots. I wear them all season, but mostly in the winter. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to do all the YouTube things, like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. And now I'll just go wax the other boot. And as always, thank you for doing the work.